Final project and course wrap-up. This class serves as the culmination of the entire Business Analyst course. In this class, students will have the opportunity to apply everything they've learned over the previous 15 classes. They will work on a real-world business analysis project, demonstrating their ability to gather requirements, analyze business needs, and present actionable recommendations. This final project will help them consolidate their understanding of business analysis techniques, tools, and best practices. Upon completion, students will prepare a business analysis report, deliver a presentation of their solutions, and receive valuable feedback to help refine their skills moving forward. Working on a real-world business analyst project. In this section, students will be tasked with applying the skills and knowledge they've gained to solve a real-world business problem. This project will typically involve identifying the business problem, understanding and analyzing the business issue or opportunity that needs attention, gathering requirements, working with stakeholders, or simulating stakeholder interactions to gather both functional and non-functional requirements, performing analysis, using the appropriate business analysis techniques learned throughout the course, such as SWOT analysis, gap analysis, etc., to assess the situation and propose potential solutions. Identifying stakeholders, understanding who the stakeholders are in the project, their roles, and how their needs and expectations impact the project. This project allows students to step into the shoes of a real business analyst and simulate the process of identifying and solving business challenges. Creating a business analysis report. Once the project is completed, students will need to compile their findings into a formal business analysis report. This report should include executive summary, a brief overview of the business problem, the analysis process, and the proposed solution. Problem statement, a clear definition of the business issue being addressed, including any relevant context. Methodology, a description of the analysis methods and tools used, such as data analysis, process modeling, or stakeholder analysis. Findings, a detailed explanation of the findings from the analysis, highlighting key insights, opportunities, and challenges identified. Recommendations, actionable and strategic recommendations to address the business problem, backed by data and analysis. Implementation plan, a high-level plan outlining how the recommended solutions can be implemented, including timelines, resource requirements, and risks. The report is an important deliverable that students will be able to present to stakeholders, such as professors or peers, to showcase their analytical and communication skills. Presenting solutions and recommendations. In this section, students will have the opportunity to present their findings to an audience. Effective communication is a key skill for business analysts, and presenting solutions clearly and confidently is a critical aspect of this course. The presentation should include overview of the project, briefly outlining the business problem, analysis methods, and key findings. Key insights, highlighting the most important findings from the analysis. Proposed solutions, presenting the recommended actions to resolve the business problem, including their potential impact on the organization. Implementation strategy, summarizing how the solutions can be put into practice, including any challenges or considerations. Students will receive feedback on their presentations and will have the chance to refine their public speaking and presentation skills. Feedback and Q&A session. After presenting, students will participate in a feedback and Q&A session. This part of the class is crucial for refining the work done in the final project. During this session, feedback from instructors. Instructors will provide constructive feedback on the analysis, report, and presentation. This will help students identify areas for improvement, both in their approach to the project and in their presentation techniques. Peer feedback. Peers may also provide feedback, offering diverse perspectives on the proposed solutions and suggestions for improvement. Q&A session. Students will be encouraged to answer questions from the audience and address any concerns or challenges raised by the instructors or peers. The feedback provided will help students improve their work, as well as build confidence in handling business analysis projects and communicating with stakeholders. Course completion and next steps. The course concludes with a final review and discussion of the next steps in the business analyst career journey. This section will cover course reflection, a recap of the key concepts learned during the course and how students can apply them in real-world situations. Next steps, guidance on how to pursue further career development, such as applying for business analyst roles, continuing education, and obtaining certifications. Continuous improvement, encouraging students to continue refining their skills, whether through additional training, hands-on practice, or seeking mentorship opportunities in the field. Students will leave the course feeling confident in their ability to perform as business analysts and prepared for the next steps in their career. Conclusion. Final project and course wrap-up allows you to demonstrate your proficiency in business analysis by working on a real-world project, creating a comprehensive report, and presenting solutions to an audience. This class ties together the entire course, giving you a platform to showcase their skills and gain valuable feedback. By the end of this class, you will be ready to embark on your business analyst career with the confidence and skills necessary to succeed. Congratulations on completing this course.